another woman that can take your spotlight.
Good morning, guys. Happy weekend. It is currently Sunday. I didn't have time to make an intro yesterday, but you'll see that went to a baseball game and had a little bit of fun. It didn't rain like it was supposed to, so that was really nice. So Sunday now, it is currently Father's Day. I'm about to make some breakfast. I have some stuff out that I'm defrosting to make for dinner. I'm gonna make some steak, some Southwest chicken. We got a whole bunch of like packaged meat that we got from like a vendor. So I'm gonna make some of that. So I'm gonna show you. But yeah, let's get into this clip of the baseball game and then we'll get into making breakfast and dinner. And I hope everybody had a good week and a good weekend. I know it doesn't go by super slow like we want to, but I hope it was still good nonetheless. And let's get into this. Also, I need to do a mani-pedi today because I did my toes yesterday quickly, like before we left, just so I would only have to do a mani today. And yeah, it gave dry, and then when I put my shoes on, it came back home completely done. Like, so I have to redo them, and my nails need doing terribly. So we're gonna also do that today. Also need a wash day, although these curls right now are curling. But yeah, so let's get into this Sunday routine. Finished product. This is cinnamon twist toast bread with biscuit cookie butter. Okay, so this is all my meat defrosted. This is a ribeye. So I took out 2 of those. These are New York strip steaks. And then underneath is some Southwest chicken. They're all defrosted now. I'm gonna clean off the steaks, and the chicken is already marinated and everything. I think for the chicken, I'm going to make some plain white rice with it and make like a chipotle bowl kind of thing. And then for these, I think I'm gonna put with some mashed potatoes and some veggies, probably broccoli. Maybe a cheesy broccoli. That's what I'm thinking. So let's get to it. Okay, so these are the 4 Southwestern chicken breasts I took out. I'm gonna put these in the oven for 400 and let them do their thing. Steak, these are gonna be the mashed potatoes I'm gonna be using. Just white rice. I put a little garlic, onion, salt, black pepper in the water, and parsley. Oh, there's also olive oil and a little bit of butter. So this is Southwest chicken, some rice, cucumbers, and lettuce. And I'm going to put some sour cream and cottage cheese with it, which is really good. And this is meal number 1. Hey guys, happy Monday. I'm currently in Dollar Tree really quickly. I need to get a couple of nail items to be mani-pedis. I need a new nail polish in a lilac color because the one I have is just it's not working and it keeps smudging. So I'm trying to pick up another one in a couple little colors that match the gel nail polishes that I have, since these are cheap and mine are probably old. And just like a couple of things here or there. So let's see. Okay, so I'm done in Dollar Tree. Let me show you what I got. Got some Twinkies. I got a little meat beef jerky snack that I'm gonna have now. Also, I got me a double shot espresso energy thing. This is like 210 calories and like more sugar than I want. But I had this in caramel on Friday. It was really good. Need some energy. I got a long day. And this is mocha. So these two right now. And oh, Twinkie's not for me because I'm behaving. I got some cotton balls for nails. I got some dial soup. I got some gloves, cookie nails. I got these apple things, these apple crisps. They're so good. There's 60 calories, not a lot of sugar. Super good for a healthy snack because I'm on my health click right now. Disinfectant spray, need some more of that. And then the reason I went in there is needed some acetone to get the strengthening one because my nails are already fragile. I don't need 100% acetone further killing my nails. Why is the lighting like this? Sorry. So I got this little like yellow looking color. Kind of looks a little green on camera, but it's like a banana yellow. I painted my nails that color, but I didn't have one for my feet. It was like way more yellow. Then I got this like milky whitish kind of one because I have a milky white gel. And then I found this really light gray one because I have this light gray gel color that I want to use, and I think it would be perfect. And then I got this purple one. This was as close to lavender I could find, but mine are like really, let's see if it will, like really lavender, so it's a little bit off, but I might just put these on my toes anyway or just do a French. But I do have a purple that goes with this in my gel anyway. And then I also got this baby blue color. It's kind of like way more baby blue, like more aqua on camera, but it's like a nice powder baby blue. And whatever I don't like then or it doesn't match, I'll just exchange. Again, the acetone. And then I needed another one of these for my French because mine is all like cakey and gross. So that is my Dollar Tree haul. So yeah, I might go to ShopRite, if not today, sometime this week, or BJ's, because I do have a couple items I need to pick up. I need fruit, out of fruit, and when I went to ShopRite last week, fruit didn't look so hot, so I might do that today. But again, if not, sometime this week, so I'll take you along with that. But yeah, so I hope everybody's doing well. This is day one hair, and I always hate day one hair because it's still kind of like it's not wet, but it's not completely dry, and it's not completely doing its thing, and it's not as full. But yeah, and I'm sorry about this like lighting and like why it's not focusing. It's making me look super like greasy too. Apologies. But yes, I will catch up later. Steak dinner, finished product. Hey guys, so I currently just pulled up to ShopRite, so we're gonna pick up a couple of things. I do need to get some things from BJ's, but I think I'm gonna just wait till next month when I normally do that because I don't really feel like that today. And it is so hot and it might potentially rain, so I want to get this done ASAP. And it's so humid. But yeah, let's get into this, and I hope everybody had a good day. This is my little haul. So I have some French toast swirl bread here. I have some hot dog buns, burger buns. I have some sub rolls for sandwiches, bananas. I picked up some dinner, so it's mixed fried chicken with macaroni, some tortellini salad, some mozzarella shredded cheese, watermelon, onion powder, cucumber, grapes, lettuce, plantain, strawberries, some rainbow bagels, also have pineapples, ice cream, cotton candy, and chocolate brownie. Some whipped cream cheese, some nectarine, oranges. I have some mini hash browns, some bacon, some Fairlife milk, some yellow kiwi. I also have some protein waffles from Eggos, some regular ones, some sandwich meat. Haven't seen this brand since I was a kid. And then I got some breaded Italian thinly sliced breast. And that is my little home.
Woman that can take your spotlight.